Hello friends. Welcome to the self-care. My name is Pallavi and today I am going to explain with you very effective remedies to cure a common cold and cough at home. The common cold is a virus-related contagions illness of the higher respirational area that mainly disturbs the nose. The throat, sinuses, larynx also be affected. When our bodies are tough at work struggling with infections, we can become dehydrated very rapidly. To support control body infection and decrease fevers, drink as much water as you can. If you have a common cold, you should drink lukewarm water often, as it aids in combat against common cold and cough. Hot liquids get rid of nasal blocking, check dehydration. Yet if you are sensation too painful, you can come across a specialist. If not, traditional home preparations also work miracles for common cold and cough. So without wasting time, let's start. Remedy 1. Ginger, basil leaves and black pepper tea. In this remedy, you will need a half inches ginger and 3 to 4 black pepper, also known as kali mirch, 3 to 4 basil leaves, also known as tulsi, and 1 glass of water. First, into a pan, add 1 glass of water, ginger, tulsi and crushed black pepper. Bring it to simmer until the water quantity is reduced to around half. Then strain the water in a serving cup through the strainer and add 1 teaspoon of honey to it. Consume this remedy 2 times a day. Ginger has anti-inflammatory acids which support to increase the body's protection. It also offers warmness that the body needs at this time. Basil leaves are usually effective in bringing down high fever. Remedy 2. Cinnamon, lemon and honey mixture. You will need a half teaspoon of lemon juice, a pinch of cinnamon, also known as dalchini, and half a teaspoon of honey. Take a bowl, mix these all ingredients and sip. This syrup is for cold and cough relief. Honey is one of the effective natural remedies to check cold and cough. Cinnamon can enhance your immune structure and defend you from common infections. Remedy 3. Clove, black pepper and honey mixture. In this remedy, you have to take 3 to 4 cloves, are also known as long, 2 to 3 black pepper, also known as kali mirch, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Roast 2 to 3 black pepper and 3 to 4 cloves on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Then make a powder and add honey to it. Mix and consume. Do this regularly after breakfast and after dinner to avoid cold and cough. So I hope these 3 remedies are helpful for you. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will try to solve the question. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching and take care.